Fiji to the island of far. This one for you, FiFi. Noqu, Rosi, Vuna, FiFi. For 3 long years our love has grown across the ocean wide and deep. Your heart still feels like home, even if the world don't see. You mean everything to me. I will always love you. Just keep believing in me. Hey, yeah. 3 long years and still we grow. From the first day my heart did know. From Vuna side where the sunrise gleamed, you walked in my life like a dream. That first smile I still recall. Didn't know I would deeply fall. Since that moment I understood, loving you just feels so good. Now you're working far away, Cook Island's holding you each day. But every night we talk and smile, distance just a little while. Noqu, Rosi, Vuna, FiFi. For 3 long years our love has grown across the ocean wide and deep. Your heart still feels like home, even if the world don't see. You mean everything to me. I will always love you. Yeah, just keep believing in me. Yeah. Different time but same moonlight. We say good morning, we say good night. Your voice calm my restless mind. In your words my peace I find. Quiet moments, secret smiles, holding on through all the miles. What we share is pure and true. Every day I fall for you. From the first spark in my heart, I knew we'd never drift apart. Through every call and every tear, I feel your love so near. Noqu, Rosi, Vuna, FiFi. Still falling more each day. No matter how far the distance, our hearts will find their way. For 3 long years and many more, you're the one that I adore. I will always love you forever, that's for sure. Text music across the sea, a love so quiet but so deep. Noqu, Rosi, Vuna, FiFi.